So guys, we are going to be using rice water on our skin for 7 days straight as a toner, and I'm going to share the live results with you guys. So let's move into it.
Hi guys, my name is Immy and I'm a pharmacist obsessed with health, beauty and wellness. I love to try new products and post every single week, so make sure you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel.
So I have actually been thinking about using rice water as a toner for the longest time, guys, because I did a face cream, which you guys I think have probably already seen, which actually went really viral, and I used rice in it. So I know that rice is great for your skin, it's great for your hair, and people in Japan have actually been using rice water for stronger hair, like amazing skin, for over thousands of years. So this remedy is like tried and tested, but what I actually wanted to do was test it on myself and kind of give you guys the live updates and the live results and kind of share my experience with you guys. So there's a couple of ways of using rice water in your beauty routine. So you can, if you want to use it as a hair rinse, you can do that, and to be honest, I wanted to do that and share it with you guys, but the problem was I couldn't, show you my hair for religious reasons. So then I thought I would just use it as a toner and then, share my results with you guys. So there's a few ways of actually preparing the rice water. So you can use soaked rice water. So soaked rice water is kept in the fridge and it doesn't get any smell. The way that I actually used the rice water was fermented. So I read, just research that fermented rice water is actually the best. And to ferment the rice water, you need to mix the rice and the water, and you need to leave it at room temperature. So you need to leave it at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, and then you can store it in the fridge after that. But the problem is that it gets like a sour smell. So, but I actually did it the fermented way. So I prepared the rice water and I didn't use it until I fermented it. And then I started using it as a toner. So I actually used it every single night for the week, and this is what happened. Hi guys, so it is day 3 of me using fermented rice water. So I just thought I would give you an update on my skin because I have to keep it real with you guys. So this is my skin today, so day 3 of using rice water. So I am using this cold. I'm keeping the rice water in the fridge. I did leave it out overnight the first day and it started smelling a bit, I don't know, fermented and weird. So I popped it in the fridge and now it's fine. So this is a skin update for you guys. So the pimples on this side are still quite bad, but I feel like they're not as bumpy. So they don't feel that, I don't know, they're not as red and they're not as bumpy. My skin is obviously still not in the best condition, and I've still got 4 more days of using the fermented rice water and we will see the effects that it gives us. So this is how it looks so far. It's pretty much going good. I've been using it morning and night, and I'm going to continue to do that for 4 more days, and then I will show you guys the effects of using fermented rice water on your skin. See you then. Face looks a lot clearer. I did have really dry skin a few days ago, so I feel like even that's getting really good, and the rice water is moisturizing my skin. Also, I don't know, my face feels plumper. I don't know how to explain it, but it actually feels really good. And I'm gonna use it for another 3 days, and then we will see the effects of rice water on my face. You can probably tell that my skin did improve. I had a crazy reaction a few weeks ago, and I had really bad acne. I had pimples everywhere, I had redness, I have scarring and everything bad. So I feel like it has actually helped with the redness. It's really helped calm my skin down, and I feel like my skin is really soft. One thing that I feel like it doesn't do though is give dramatic results. If you think you're gonna use this and bam, the next day you've got amazing results, no, that will not be the case. And I think with a lot of skincare products, especially natural, it's not acids or something, you cannot expect it to have results straight away. Like, you need to consistently do it. So what I would recommend to anyone doing this challenge, do it for a month and you will probably get amazing results. So that is me signing out. So guys, after the 1 week mark, as you can see, my skin did feel softer and I resolved a lot of redness that I was experiencing. And I read from research that if you've got like allergies or reactions from sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, you can actually use rice water to treat that. So I think that the rice water was great because it was helping with redness that I was having. But I didn't actually find any dramatic differences. Like, you know, the past things that I've tried, like the Dove soap, or I tried that Nivea cream. I've tried like so many random things and a lot of them worked like crazy good, and I saw effects within the 5 to 7 days. With the rice water, it wasn't like a dramatic, you know, difference. It wasn't like a dramatic change in my skin. The only thing I noticed was like, because I was going through some acne and some marks and pimples and stuff, I felt like the redness was resolved, but I don't think it actually helped with the scarring or anything like that. So I would, for myself, I wouldn't do it again, because for me the fermented smell of the rice water actually was so disgusting. I could not stand it. If I was to do this again, I would use the rice water just soaked and I would keep it in the fridge the entire time. If you can like bear the smell, like that sour smell of the fermented rice, go for it. Use it for a week and see how your skin changes. For me, I wouldn't use the fermented one, but I'm gonna use the soaked one. So the only thing is you have to keep making it like every single week. That's the other thing, but it's super easy to make. It literally takes 1 second to make. So that would be, yeah, what I thought about this remedy. If you guys want me to try anything else or try any remedies or try any products, let me know in the comments section below and I would definitely try it for you guys and, you know, tell you guys the exact things that I feel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Okay, bye!